is up, guys? In today's Off-Road Forever video, we are going to be riding the pit bike, but I just want to explain that I got this new YZ85 Yamaha. We are going to be riding this soon, sometime. I'm sorry I haven't posted in a while. This has been very busy, and let's get to the pit bike. So we're back at the pit bike, and today we're just going to be doing some wheelies and some jumps, so... From when I was a little kid down right here, but we're tearing it out right now to make a massive jump, and hopefully it's going to be done by this Friday. And over there is the treehouse. So right now the trails are kind of really overgrown, so we're gonna have to kind of fix them up sometime. And I'm thinking about getting better camera equipment, because right now all I have is a phone. So I'm thinking about getting actual camera, a GoPro, and some of that stuff to make the videos better for you guys and for me to actually be able to go ride other places. So right now, in this section of the video, I'm just gonna teach you how to wheelie a pit bike without clutch. If you have shifters like this down here, what I do is something neutral right now, okay? I like to bump it up to first, and then I'll bump it up to second, but keep it in second. Rev the gas a little bit so it gets in the high RPMs. And then when it's in the high RPMs, let go, and it will kick up the dirt bike. And from there, you want to kind of keep your foot a little bit on the rear brake so you don't fully tip back. And that's basically just it. So I'll show you. So I'm going to show you what it is right now, okay? Major tip here, do not do any wheelies in the dirt. I mean, it's possible, but it's really hard because it's slippery. I recommend doing it in the grass or on the cement. But if you see me stalling here, it's because I'm in the dirt, you know. Alright guys, that's all for today. today's video. Hope you enjoyed. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure to comment down what you would like to see, and I will definitely be writing this a lot in my future videos. So stay tuned for that, and peace.